So this deck is called Tricky Vowel. Cup, or cop, o. Let's look at these. So the two sounds are in cup, it's the short U and it's mouth is relaxed, and in cop, it's cop, caw, cop. They're very close though, and ah. Let's see if you can tell the difference. Here are the two words. Here is cup, number 1, and cop, number 2. I will say one word, and you tell me which number am I saying, 1 or 2. Are you ready? Here you go. Cop. 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 You know? Yep, it's cop, number 2. It's cop, number 2. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Number 1 is dock. Dock. It's where you park your boat. If you have a boat, you park it at the dock. Dock, dock, number 1. And number 2 is duck. Quack, 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 quack. Okay, so I'm going to say one of these words, and you tell me, is it number, let's wait. Tell me, is it number 1 or number 2? Here we go. Dock. 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 Is it 1 or 2? It's number 1, dock. Yay! Yay! Okay, dock. And number 2 is duck. Let's do it again. This is 1 and 2. Number 1 is bus. Bus, bus. And number 2 is boss. Boss, boss. So I'm going to say one of these words, and you tell me which word is it. Are you ready? The word is bus. 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 What is it, 1 or 2? The tension mounts. Yay, it's bus, number 1. Yay, bus. Okay, let's go to the next one. Number 1 is knot. Knot. That's like a knot. Yeah, you tie a knot. Knot. The K is silent. It's not. And number 2 is nut. Nut. Okay, I'm going to say one of these words, and you tell me, is it 1 or is it 2? Here we go. Nut. 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 1 or 2? Yes, it's nut, number 2. Excellent. Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh, it's your turn. You say it with me. You ready? Here we go. Is cup. Is cop. Is duck. Is dock. Is bus. Is boss. Is nut. Is not. Yeah, excellent. Let's try it again. The words may be different this time. The answers may be different. The words are going to be the same, but the answers might be different. So listen carefully. So number 1 is cop. Number 2 is cup. Let me tell you the word here really quickly. Listen, I'm going to tell you the word. You tell me 1 or 2. Here it is. Cup. 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 Is that 1 or 2? It's 2. Cup. Yay! All right. Let's try the next one. The next one, number 1 is duck. Number 2 is dock. Are you ready? You tell me, what do you hear? The word is duck. 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 It's duck. Duck. Duck, 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 duck. Okay, the next one. Let's do this. It's number 1 is boss, and number 2 is bus. I'm going to say the word, and you tell me, is it 1 or 2? Are you ready? Boss. Boss. Did you say boss? Number 1, did you correct? Let's go to the next. Oh, that's it. We did it. All right, great job, guys. We'll talk again soon. Bye.